All right, we're going to start chapter 4 in this module. But before we do that, I want to talk a little bit about the upcoming lab group rotation. So starting in week 3, you're going to be in a new lab group. So depending when you're watching this, the reactions of copper lab that's in week 2, that's with your initial lab group. After reactions of copper, but before next week, I'm going to switch your lab groups. I'm going to do it on Sunday because you have the post lab due Saturday, so you need to see your initial lab group's notebook. But on Sunday, I'm going to make a new lab group for you. I'm going to change the lab groups. And I'm going to set up pages of the lab notebook for reactivity patterns. So if you log into Blackboard on Sunday, you'll be able to see your new lab group with the roles for that reactivity patterns. So you can see who's going to be the leader or whatever, and whatever. If you're the leader, you need to get your stuff set up on Sunday before, or on Monday, or Sunday or Monday, before the lab starts on Tuesday, reactivity patterns. So I'll do it on Sunday morning, and then you'll have Sunday all day Monday to set up the notebook. But don't do it before then, because you are going to rotate being a new lab group. So if you're working ahead, you want to take a little bit of a break. Don't do the reactivity patterns notebook setup before. You can still do the pre-lab or whatever. Also, as part of this change, you're going to evaluate the teamwork of your first group. So the group that you were with for weeks 1 and 2. So the M&M's lab, water purification, identifying an unknown, and reactions of copper. So the stuff and the other activities we did, right? Like the mass, the mole lab, stuff y'all worked together on. So you're just going to answer a questionnaire, how well you worked as a team, how much you contributed to the teamwork, and then you'll get a grade for that. But please answer honestly about how you did. I also will contribute my opinions, and that's going to be due on Sunday, the 14th. It's in the week 2 folder on Blackboard, so you can just take a look at there in the week 2 folder, not in any of the lecture modules or anything like that. Otherwise, if you have any questions about the lab group or anything like that, let me know. Lab group changing. And you'll be in this group for the rest of this semester, rest of the course, 2 more weeks. But otherwise, we're going to finish out week 2. Got our back half here. Videos about chapter 4, starting to really kind of put everything together, talking about everything we've done so far and putting it all together into chapter 4, talking about chemical reactions. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the videos.